can I see how we alone? Look forward, we try, nobody here we cry. Them no care for you over we alone. Been through the storm, when the rain is on, we saw no one.
Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm actually home by myself right now. Nyla's at daycare and Ziggy's at work. I was supposed to be meeting up with him to have a lunch date with him, but he hasn't got back to me. So in the meantime, between time, I'm gonna go wash my hair because my hair needs to get washed. Like, this was an old wash and go that I did a couple days ago, and then I threw it in a bun. So now my curls are like all limped. Not only that, my hair is like not even black anymore, it's like brown. So now I'm like debating if I want to go to the hair store to go get dye to color it, because I want my hair to be jet black, and it's giving me not jet black. I know it looks black on the camera, but it's actually like a brown when I go outside, like completely brown. Yeah, so I'm gonna go wash my hair because my hair needs to get washed, and I figured, you know what, let me stop lingering around. I was like watching the Family Chantel because a new episode came out. If you guys don't know who the Family Chantel is, they're from 90 Days Fiance. They like a couple years ago, but now they have like their own show, and now they have a new season. So 2 episodes are out, and I was just catching up. I kind of like them. They're interesting to watch. Yeah, so I'm gonna go wash my hair because one of the main reasons why I'm gonna go wash, okay, you guys see how it looks brown? One of the main reasons why I'm gonna go wash my hair is because I got these 2 new products by TGIN. First of all, not me just learning that TGIN stands for thank God it's natural. I did not know that. I found these products in Marshall's yesterday, and they were $12.99. Usually these products, actually I'm not even gonna act like I know the pricing for these products originally, if they're expensive or not, but I'm finding lately that I've been finding a lot of the popular hair products in Marshall, and they're super affordable. Like Shea Moisture I found, and it was like affordable. I know Diva Curl is not the topic right now, but they have Diva Curl there. What else did I found? I found this peppermint oil that's like really good because my scalp has been like really itchy. And then I also found this one right here that I want to try. This is the Miracle Repair. I just don't know. So this one's like a Curl Food Daily Moisturizer, and it has black castor oil and biotin, and it's a super nourishing daily moisturizer that helps reduce breakage, prevents split ends, and repairs hair damage. So I'm gonna use this as my I guess my leave-in. And then this is their Rose Water Curl Defining Styling Gel, and this one has rose water and acai berry. So this one has like a medium hold styling gel that reduces frizz, increases volume, and defines curls, kinks, and waves. So it's my first time actually trying these new products, so I'm gonna try them out. I just need to figure out if these 2 products work together or not. Yeah, because ain't nobody trying to get no flakes on a good wash day. I'm gonna catch y'all right here. Oh, Jesus, there goes my product. Oh, all over my pants. Let me show y'all. Yo, now that I'm seeing this mirror in the camera, now this mirror needs to go. I need me a longer mirror. I need to find a longer mirror. I was just telling Ziggy. But anyways, the way how I test my products before I'm about to do my wash and go or like style my hair is I just pump the 2 products that I'm gonna be combining together in my hand. Wow, this is thick. And then I just mix them together. So I have the gel in my hand. And I actually saw this other product there. I might go back for it. That I had wanted to get, but I was debating between the 2. But because it's my first time trying this product, I'm like, let me just play around with it and see. So you see how I'm mixing the product in my hand with the gel? And right now it's giving, let me see. I'm gonna put a little bit more gel because I had kind of overdid it with the, so if it clumps together, if it doesn't rub out smoothly, those 2 products are not gonna work together. Now, this one's kind of rubbing out smoothly. Kind of. I don't know. It's not really giving me like a clump. The cream is way more thicker than the gel, but these 2 should hopefully go together. I guess I'll see. But when I'm rubbing it out, it's like, yeah, when I rub it out, it's kind of smooth. But again, like the cream product is more like, I guess, strong than the gel. I don't know how I feel about this. Let me see something. Because if it's giving clumps, then I'm not gonna use it, because that's gonna give me like the white cast that I'm not going for. I'm trying to show you guys like when two products don't mix together, but it seems like everything I'm picking up is mixing together. By the way, this is also a good gel, but it's only available in the States. They used to have it here in Canada and they stopped carrying it. Oh, this one mixes well. I'm actually dead. Before I start my hair, I'm gonna go in with my Olaplex intensive bond building hair treatment. So I'm just gonna pump this in my hair and leave it on for 10 minutes while I jump into the shower. So by the time I do all that, shower, well, I'll just probably do like my face stuff in the meantime. I don't like do my face stuff before I wash my hair, but I'll just do that. I actually like this treatment. The only thing I don't like is that the bottle is so small, so you literally only probably get like 2 or 3 use out of it. If your hair is even thicker, it's even worse because your hair will take it up. But the whole Olaplex line is actually good. I use the number 0. I have the shampoo and the conditioner. If you're trying to like repair your hair, highly recommend that. That one like literally helps me to get my curls back where it's at. I also have this, the number 3 repair and hair strengthen. Again, this bottle is so small and I think it was like $30 for it. But this is a nice treatment as well. You can use this 2 to 3 times per week and you leave it on for 10 minutes. And actually, maybe I should go to the hair store. And a little goes a long way with this one. I kind of just try my best to get it all over. The bottle's so damn small and expensive. Like, make sure you always get the ends of your hair. Can't get over my hair color. Actually, before I jump in the shower, I'm gonna leave this on for a little and I'm gonna go find something to do. Chef Mike. Yo, Daddy does not play with his grass. The other day I was out here pouring dirt. Oh, did you put seeds there?
Yeah.
You guys see where it's a little bit more dark, so it's dirt, and he planted some seeds there.
There was a bunch of weeds here.
Yeah.
So I sprayed them with weed picon.
Oh, did you?
They killed the grass.
Oh, shoot, yeah.
So I had to buy a grass seed again.
And his garden's coming along. Not me thinking this was bush. First of all, remember when we thought this was mint?
It is. It's a sort of mint.
Okay.
Catnip.
What is this one called again?
It's a deranged. I don't remember the name, but derangel or something.
Okay, so our perennials are growing back.
Yeah.
This is my favorite one.
Should be pretty.
Yes.
A grass.
And he also has like some peppers over there, tomato, a squash summer over here, and of course you know the rabbits come nibble. But grass, his little garden's coming along, just needs more color. Anyways, I'll be back.
Alright.
Yo, I swear to you, I have a love and hate relationship with leather seats. Summertime it's the worst, so wintertime it's the worst. Like there's just no winning. It's just in between. Woo. My hair is still wet. 32 degrees outside. It's so crazy because when it's winter we cry and ask for summer. Now that it's summer we're dying that it's saying how it's too hot. But about to go. Yeah, every time I come in my car smells like Ziggy, like when we first met. I styled my hair in the shower, y'all, so now it's like air drying. Literally, I style my hair now when my hair is dripping wet. Even though I accidentally used something that kind of... I didn't use the right towel, but my hair is gonna air dry. And I'm about to play some music, so I'll check in with y'all in a bit. I'm about to go check somebody. Yeah. Hello? Hold on, you guys. Hold on. What?
I know you'll be vlogging.
How do you know?
Because.
You brought food for me and you?
Yeah. I'm like, where's this girl?
I was like there because I saw the truck,
This truck.
garbage truck. So I didn't even know what house you were in. I didn't want to block up, so I literally went around.
So wait, so it's not sure yeah, so.
You know, I don't know, you know.
Woo.
What's
Oh
up?
man.
What go on? How that there?
I know.
How you having a chunk?
Food I have in the trunk. I'm hiding some of
How
it.
this?
Try it. It's the new drink from Starbucks. Try it.
What is saying name?
Ziggy, it tastes good. It's pineapple.
Pineapple now
Yeah.
also. Like boo boo.
Guys, I'm trying the new pineapple refresher lemonade from
Ooh.
well, it looks really orange on here, but it's actually kind of yellowish. From Starbucks. It's actually good with their fake pineapple. I don't know what kind of pineapple this is.
Let me say look like boo.
Chunk, can you stop? Like I'm eating.
You're not eating anything.
And of course, you have to stop and get Ziggy
shots.
his
Like
vanilla chais. All Ziggy drinks. What? Now, how do you know?
pepper.
I don't have pepper.
You don't? I do have.
That smell nice. You get lunch, do it. Oh, so sorry.
Man,
Juke on your throat.
what my car doing?
Where's your key?
Stop questioning.
So yeah, I came to bother Ziggy at work on my day off. I have lunch with me. Well, yeah, I guess I'm having lunch with him, but I ate at home. Yesterday I made salmon and I made chicken for him because he doesn't eat salmon. And
You know, I really thing is I'm coming pepper with me now, jock.
the best pepper, right? It come like it's not even hot no more, I lie?
No.
Like they're really not hot anymore.
Carrying water down in something. We just catch one rabbit.
I saw. What the? You wash your
I
hands?
should have, yeah, see, yeah.
You, your hands. You want lotion? I have lotion in the drawer.
I work, may I go back to work, yeah?
Yeah, but still take care of your
I take
hands.
piece of
Salmon?
Yeah.
You actually liked it?
Can't go on.
After you're there,
I have
but
to pepper it though, make it take away that taste. I mean, I like it, I want liquor.
that's how salmon tastes though.
I know, but still I don't like it. So
Nothing, man. Just here looking at you.
looking at me.
You look
You're
sweet.
looking at me.
Why you look
looking
so
at
sweet
you.
at work?
Why you look so stunning right now? Where you going? Huh?
I came to
In
see
a
you.
short shorts. What's it?
Look how
I
tight
show
it
up
is.
your legs.
Whatever.
Christ, like a girl. Where you fought there?
I'm actually dead in it. You're the one who keeps dashing out the floor, right? Ken?
Nope.
Why can't you take the
bother with your
plastic
foolishness. Make care back everything every day. That's when they sit down and chat say. That's when they chat say. No complain bro.
Yeah. Yo, as I'm drinking this drink reminds me of this candy that I used to eat in candy.
This are drinks.
In Jamaica.
This are the drinks.
No.
Now make Nisha tell me about that.
This drink is
This
good.
are-
The vanilla chai is good, yes, but this is
no
good.
But. There's no but.
Ziggy, taste it.
No.
It's like definitely like a little.
There is no but.
Whatever. I don't care. This
Or
drink
no
tastes good.
ass. I joke.
I'm not saying that drink doesn't taste bad, but it's like a smoothie. This is like a refresher. This is good. Next time I'm gonna probably add like coconut oil, coconut in it or something.
Too cold to us.
Outside's cold. Turn it up. We're in full jeans.
Why not? I get some free shots. My people that walk, I look for my leg them.
You dry leg them? Yo, Ziggy actually kills me, man. Food smell nice, and I ate some already, you know. But for some
That's
reason,
fine.
anytime you're eating food, it's like I just have to have some. Like it tastes good. I already ate. You know, hear me say that?
Oh, no plan no.
Nothing. I was just. What do you mean?
Oh. Go off every second, like.
No, I sent them a picture of. I sent Mike a picture of him and Gabby. It's like 5 years ago. They look so different.
Oh.
Not me just videoing you eating.
I know.
Yo, oh gosh.
I
know you guys low key miss seeing us and miss seeing Ziggy. It's been a while since you guys even see Ziggy. And Ziggy's always Ziggy's restcation, and he also said that I guess because I could keep vlogging, stopping, it just kind of like turned him off. You know what this would taste nice with? Wine. This will make a nice sangria. This would make a really nice sangria.
You can go show them in basement. You can go. No one's there. Me say you can.
You go.
I feel my place soon. What do you?
Oh really?
Just go and go to jail.
I'm not going in the people's house. Before they go say,
No.
You're bringing women in the house.
Who live up there? I rent them rent too. Who don't have like a bill with a bill basement.
When you're done,
so them not
when
have
you're
access.
done, you go film it. Show me your work. Wow. What you? But you have lunch. Pack lunch.
So
What am I gonna bring for lunch tomorrow?
I don't know.
What's new, Ziggy?
You think McDonald's cheap? Or Wendy's?
I know. What's new?
What's new?
Like?
Can't tell you.
You can't tell them yet? When was the last time you opened the door for me?
Why am I opening the door for you?
Why not?
You're a strong girl. You're a big girl.
Alright.
You want me to close it for you?
Come show them your sick finger.
Oh.
Not Ziggy chopping out, almost chopped off his finger. Because he's there focused on the pot bubbling.
You ever watch a show?
Which one?
Teeth.
Teeth or jaw?
Or jaw?
The shark?
No.
Which one?
The show they will, when they have sex with the girl bite off him on them see.
No.
You never watch that?
No. Are you talking some spit on your grave?
I don't remember.
That was a bad movie too.
What we have? They rape the girl?
They kept, yeah, and then she ended up they must have threw her in a pit hole or something like that. She came back or something like
Yeah,
that.
watch that there. Another one them I thought. You want to show which part like everybody what she have sex with or she don't like them, she just make her some just.
What the? I don't know that movie. Yo, do you watch that movie in Jamaica?
Yeah, but that big. Somebody go comment and tell your name about it or something.
I've never heard of that movie before.
Yeah.
Anyways, see you later. Are you rude?
Which one? Oh, you already got it.
What's your shirt?
Huh?
Put it on the. Yeah.
What's this? Yo, you see me up or rice?
Yeah, you said you're gonna try to drink if I came and look downstairs. So
Yo, you
here.
see them come like see them when you wake up in the morning. No?
What? It's good, Ziggy. You're so. Those taste kind of like crunchy-ish, but the drink itself tastes good. Doesn't it taste like? Oh, I know what it tastes like now. It's the yellow bun in Jamaica. That's what the drink tastes like. Yes, the pineapple bun, the lollipop. That's my favorite one. Doesn't it taste like it? Yes, that's what it is. That's what it is. Why are you spitting them out, man?
That's some would have to drink your drinks every day, like. So. Alright, mama. I'll see you later.
See ya. Look who's yes, use and abuse. Oh my! Are you gonna tell the people what you're about to do to your hair, or is it a surprise?
When they see.
When they see. Make sure you guys tune in because Ziggy's about to make a drastic change. Drastic. Is it? I can't believe you actually made up your mind after how many years? It's been a long time coming. Your hair stressing you, eh? What?
So I know if you pull out your right there, it's stress.
Well, got to do what you got to do. Oh yeah, look at his finger, y'all. Let me see.
I took it off.
You took off the skin or the nail?
No.
So the nail was lifting.
That's right.
This man took off the nail. Oh man. Yeah. That's what you're trying to. Don't try to be a chef, Ziggy. Leave the chef thing to the real chefs.
Chef, you see chef cut for your finger. Sure is a very reach it.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I did it. No, for real though, but why are you looking so...
Yo, get off of this. What is wrong with you? What's wrong with you? You should be admiring me all the time, son. It's not even... You know what it is? It's because you're always so used to seeing me in like your clothes, like your t-shirt and stuff. So then when you actually see me, you're just like, oh.
You.
Oh. But yeah, it's in the evening time now. I just made off the kids and they're inside. And we're kind of, well, I came outside to bother Ziggy. I got to work tomorrow.
Excited?
You see my face? This is my weekend to work. I'm grateful and thankful. Oh, Sunday? Oh, the breeze is cold.
This is cold.
This is cold. The shade is
confusing.
No, you're confusing because when it's hot, you're balling that it's cold. So you shush.
No. Yesterday you say it's nice. I was like, dang, this is actually cool. So serious breeze yesterday.
Maybe this is how Jamaica feels in the winter time. When I come down there December, this is how Jamaica feels. Nothing planned.
Before you go be the minute is when you go sit there, so you walk over and park.
You know, I wanted to take them at the park, but Lyra was falling asleep, so she was tired.
Oh.
So that's why I didn't. Plus, they need to get in the habit of going to bed early. 1 minute they go to bed early, next minute they go to bed late. No consistency. We don't really have nothing else planned for the evening, to be honest. It's literally just relaxing and chilling.
Get ready for tomorrow.
Literally, I have work. I mean, oh, that's what I need to go do. I need to go get my bag out the car.
So guys, I'm not working at the other place anymore.
Oh yeah.
I quit. It's too stressing.
That's not why you quit. It just wasn't free. Part of it is that it wasn't for you.
If you just follow your mind,
Yeah.
just follow your heart there. Because if your heart ain't really there's something that will make no sense, and they try to force it in you. Because like, I don't feel.
Yeah.
You know? And from morning, I don't want to go there, but you see some of the time because I leave money.
You're thinking like long term, right? But
yeah.
The benefits that I would reap long term, but it just wasn't it.
Yeah,
there's no point of forcing yourself in a job if it's just not for you. If it's not for you, it's just not for you, and that's fine. It's like, okay, for example, like myself, I'm a nurse, and for me, honestly, bedside is not my thing. Like, I've done it, I don't like it. And you know, everyone would be like, well, you know, you should get into the hospital because this and because that. And yes, it's true, but if something is not for someone, you can't force them to do it. First of all, I wasn't even getting benefits, so I just was not feeling it. Like, bedside's not for me as a nurse. It's not.
So what do you feel like you want to do though?
I like either working in a clinic, mental health. I kind of done mental health before, like with in group homes, so like, you know, I can see myself doing that. But when it comes to bedside, like, my heart is not fully there. It's not even the patients. It's not, I don't know, it's not my thing. And I told myself, you know what, I'm not gonna just do it to please other people or because what other people say. I gotta do what I want to do for me. Ziggy.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense to me, because it's like, even with me the other day, like, most of the people that me over there, and them say like, yo, like, you good for in this when you're young, you know? Like, younger people start in this because in idea, like, you may get more, you know?
Yeah.
And everybody happy if you did this and all of that, but deep down for me, it's like, every day I'm going like,
I know, you were dreading it.
and I'm
You were
not really
dreading
feeling
it,
this, you know
yeah.
what I mean?
And that's the thing, wherever I'm working, I don't want to wake up and have that dread feeling like, ugh.
You gotta go to work.
Yeah, I want to wake up and be like, I gotta go to work.
Hey. Like, why you have to go through that? Like, get up in my I don't even want to go to this work today. You know, I working like, I can't wait for the day to go home. I just want to leave this place. Like,
Right?
it's not good because you gotta just continue every day. Every fucking day, the same thing.
So what I mean, they have that bill every day.
And that's why I say you find something where you like do and do that one day. Unless if nothing to do there, you know, I have to
Tough it out until better come.
Until something come then.
Yeah, man. And I don't know, sometimes what do you say, your nose have to run before.
Yeah.
What's the saying?
So your nose have to run some of the time, you know?
Your nose have to
before
run.
better come.
Yeah.
You know? You have to tough out life some of the time until better come, see you know?
Now my little sister on the wine. But I don't know if I showed you guys this wine in my vlog before, but this wine is really nice. But it doesn't get you lit. Yeah, it's just like a nice something just to sip on. But this one's really nice. It's like sweet and bubbly. If you like sweet and bubbly. all my Telfeezy bags that I got. My Telfeezys. Yo, Telfar bags are literally one of the hardest bags to get. I've been trying to get one since like I think last year, but they had their bag security program and I finally got one. I had to wait. I had to wait a little though, because when it came out, I think it was like I ordered this from April or May, and I'm just getting it now. But the anticipation was that we would have got it later this year, so I'm really shocked that we actually got it this early. But let me show y'all real quick what I got. It's on my bed, so hopefully it doesn't drop. So I got this this blue one. This color is so nice. No, it's not this small. Actually, let me take off this, because when I first got it, I thought it was that small. But with Telfar, they have small, medium, and large, and they're called like the shopping bags. But I got this nice blue color. It's so cute. Honestly, so many of my friends have these bags, and like I said, they are hard to get, but they're just so cute. Of course, it's kind of small, so not much could fit in there, but it'll look cute when you're just like, you know, like throwing it on. So I got this color, and then I obviously got, I debated if I wanted the black in big or small, but I got it in medium. So this is the medium size. But the reason why I got it in this size is because like if I'm traveling or going somewhere and I need to pack like my personal stuff or my laptop and all that stuff, like this would be like a cute little laptop bag. So that's why I got this one in this size. Or I mean, if I'm going anywhere really and truly, I could bring it, but it's more so gonna be like my travel bag just for like my laptop and stuff like that. So those are the two colors that I got. And then Shauna got this brown color that's really nice, and Keisha got a tan color that was really nice. But yeah, literally these bags are like the ish, and it is from a black owned company. But like I said, literally within seconds these bags sell out. And I also, so Bath and Body Works had their $12.95 candle sale the other day, and I bought some candles, but the rest are in the room over there. But this one I want to show you guys, because first of all, the packaging, the way how this is packaged is so nice. I really love it. And it says unity, love, magic, legacy, joy, roots all over it. It gives me like culture. That's what it's giving. And this one is the coconut sandalwood, and it says unity on it. It's so nice. I think I'm actually gonna keep this jar when I'm done, because it's just such a nice packaging. And also this candle smells so good. It's so nice. So nice. If you guys see this one, highly recommend it, because it smells really good. And I just put my candle in my little candle holder. And like I said earlier, nothing really planned for the rest of the night. Just gonna be chilling and kind of like organize up myself and get ready for tomorrow. I have Nyla's clothes here to fold, and I gotta like repack some clothes for her for daycare tomorrow. And I don't know what I'm bringing for lunch tomorrow, to be honest. I'm so tired of spending money on food. I need to figure out something to bring. Just don't know what. But yeah, man, that's about it. So I guess for now, I'm gonna go sip on my wine and fold these laundry and probably listen to some music.
Nobody here we cry. Them not care for you over we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one. We alone, yeah. We alone.